Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I ordered groceries through Amazon Prime, and this is what I got. So let's see what I got so far. And these are all in a little insulated bag, my frozen options. And these are all sides that I picked out. And so we'll go through the sides and see what I got. So I got this pepper and onion blend, which was like $1, right? I got these green peas where they were under $1. These are Amazon brands too. Mixed veg. It says carrots, corn, green peas, and green beans. Same price. And the spinach too. And this one is for a good recipe. So look out for it. And then I also got this frozen banquet, which was $1. It's a beef pot pie. And these were $3.99. Italian sausage. This is Amazon grocery too. And yeah, they're frozen. They're like $4. These I got for like $6. This is a 12-pack of fish crispy battered fillets. So I thought that was a good deal. It says 1 pound, 8.5 ounces. See what's in this one. So in here we have tortillas, which were both $1.99. So these are the street tacos. These are like the little ones that they're like carne asada with cilantro and onion, those type of small little ones. And I didn't know they were little, but now I do, and they're really cute. And then I got these white corn tortillas. They're like 30 or something for $1.99. These were on sale, so I went ahead and made sure to put them in my cart. And then I got this turkey sausage is kielbasa. It was $1.99 on sale. It's on sale right now. And I also got cheese. So this is Mexican 4 cheese. It says it has asadero, queso, quesadilla, and Monterey Jack, and shredded cheddar cheese. So that's pretty cool. And then this is $1.99 Amazon brand. This is also Amazon brand cream cheese for $1 something. It was under $2. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, and just so this is Hillshire Farm. And then I got a pack of chicken, and the chicken I bought was about $5.99, I think. And I think, let me see what kind I got, because there was so many different ones. This is called Just Bear. It's bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. And this is also for a recipe. So, let's see. It says 1 pound, 1.25 pound. So there's that. And then I got a half a gallon of milk, which these are under $2. They're like $1.99. I got 2% reduced fat milk. This is also Amazon grocery. Now, another thing that I got that was sent today that was grocery. The only thing I'm missing from this order is like a can of refried beans. But actually this morning at around 8, I got this one package, and it comes with my diet tea. It's green tea, citrus flavored diet tea by Lipton. 12 bottles, and this is under $7. Another thing that I got was these, I think it's Nestle Splash. They're electrolyte drinks. They're lemon flavored, zero sugar, zero cal, and these are under $3 or $2.90 something. And the last but not least, I got a can of pork and beans and tomato sauce. This is Van Camp's. This is $1, under $1. And that's about it. I hope you guys like my haul. I'm just now using the groceries, and I find so many deals. I wanted to share them with you. So don't forget to give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because I'm only like 4 short of having 100 subscribers, and then we'll do our milestone celebration. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Might sound different. Bye bye.